welcome to my channel. Today we will see about DFCCIL recruitment, that is Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India. Let's see the important dates for the opening date for the application is already started 24th 4 2021. The last date was now extended. It is up to 24th July. The tentative dates for CBT test because of COVID reason June 21. Now we will see posts and essential qualification. The first post was the junior manager. Scale was 50,000 rupees to 1,60,000 rupees. The grade was E2. Total vacancies for junior manager civil was 31 and education qualification is required bachelor degree in civil engineering from a recognized institute with not less than 60% marks in aggregate. The minimum percentage you have to apply this job was 60%. 59.99 also not eligible for this post, and the our reservation is on screen. Please see it, guys. And next post was junior manager operations and PD. Total vacancies are 77. Reservation on screen. Please see it, guys. And the education qualification required is 2 years MBA, PGDBA or PGDBM or PGDM in marketing or business operation or customer relation or finance from a recognized institute with not less than 60% marks in aggregate. And the next one was junior manager. This is from mechanical branch. Total vacancies are 3 and the vertical reservation only urban for 3 posts are there. The education qualification required a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, mechatronics engineering, industrial engineering, production engineering, automobile engineering, manufacturing engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, electronics and communications engineering, electronics engineering from a recognized institute with not less than 60% marks in aggregate. The medical standard was A3 here. The next we will see about post executive scale. Scale was 30,000 rupees to 1,20,000. Here see first one executive for civil branch. Total vacancies 73 available. And diploma 3 years in civil engineering or civil engineering transportation, civil engineering construction technology, civil engineering public health, civil engineering water resource from an recognized institute with not less than 60% marks in aggregate. Next, the executive electrical. We will see these posts were 42 and education qualification required is diploma 3 years in electrical and electronics or power supply or instrumentation and control or industrial electronics and electronics instrumentation, applied electronics, digital electronics, power electronics from a recognized institute. Almost all the posts are required above 60% only. Below 60% are not eligible to apply this one. And the executive next one post is the executive signal and telecommunication. The total vacancies are 87. The education qualification required is diploma 3 years in electrical electronics, microprocessor, TV engineering, fiber optic communication, telecommunication, communication, sound and TV engineering, industrial control, electronic instrumentation, electronics, applied electronics, digital electronics, power electronics, information science and technology, computer application, computer engineering, computer science, computer technology from a recognized with the not less than 60% aggregate you should be. And the next post was executive operations and BD. The total vacancies are available maximum 237. The vertical reservation is on screen. Please see it, guys. And education qualification is required here graduation with not less than 60% marks in aggregate from recognized university. All branches can apply for this job. This is a good post, executive for executive operations and BD. For mechanical only 3 are available. Those guys you should apply in this one. You have a good opportunity for apply this post. And the next we will see executive mechanical. Total vacancies 3. For urban 3. Diploma 3 years in mechanical, electrical, electronics, manufacturing, mechatronics, production engineering, automobile, instrumentation and control engineering from a recognized institute with not less than 60% aggregate. Okay guys, next we will move on to another post. Junior executive scale was 25,000 rupees to 68,000 rupees. IDA pay scale N5 grade. First one we will see about junior executive for electrical. Total vacancies are available 135 and reservation is on screen. Please see it guys. And education required is matriculation with minimum 60% marks in aggregate plus minimum 2-year duration course completed at apprenticeship, and 2 years apprenticeship is required, and ITI approved by SVCT or NCVT in the trade of electrical, electrician, wireman, electronics from a recognized institute with not less than 60% aggregate. You have these qualifications guys, please apply it. And the next post was junior executive signal and telecommunication. Total vacancies are available in this 147. Education qualification here required matriculation with not less than 60% marks in aggregate plus minimum 2 years duration course completed at apprenticeship. Here also required apprenticeship, and ITI approved by SCVT or NCVT in the trade of electronics, communication, information technology, TV and radio, electronic instrumentation, industrial electronics, applied electronics, digital electronics, power electronics, computer networking, data networking from a recognized institute with not less than 60% marks in aggregate. We will say next post was junior executive. This is for operations and BD. Total vacancies available in this 225. Matriculation with not less than 60% marks in aggregate plus minimum 2-year duration course completed at apprenticeship or ITI approved by SCVT or NCVT in any trade from a recognized institute with not less than 60 marks. Graduate in any, all branches can apply here. Next one was the junior executive for mechanical branch. Total vacancies available here are 14. Matriculation with not less than 60% marks in aggregate plus minimum 2 years duration apprenticeship required, minimum 2 years duration course completed act, and the mechanical or electronics and instrumentation from a recognized institute with not less than 60% aggregate in aggregate. So these are the posts. We will see next age limit. Now the age limit for a junior manager level was 18 to 27, and the executive post for 18 to 30, and junior executive was 18 to 30. And we will see about selection process for various posts. CBT test is there for all the posts, and the computer based aptitude test is only for executive operations and BD, and document verification is for all posts. Interview is for some posts and some posts not there. For junior manager civil, junior manager operations and BD, for junior manager mechanical, interview is there. Rest of only these 3 posts are interviews going on. Rest of the posts are not having any interview, and medical test for all the posts have to be completed, to be mechanical completed test to be completed. Next, the scheme of examination. The computer based online system will be conducted 2 to 3 sessions on a single or multiple days of 2 hours duration. The question paper for CBT test will be objective type multiple choice having 120 questions, indicative syllabus for all such posts, Annex 3. And the negative marking also there. For one wrong answer 0.25 marks will cut. And we will see about what the fee against which post. We will see against for junior manager post. The application fee was 1000 rupees, and for executive post 900 rupees, for junior executive 700. Guys, hope you all like that. For more information you have to download notification, and you have to see any doubt, and you have any doubt, please put in a comment section. I will clarify. And thank you for listening. Please share guys maximum to your friends, and this will help a lot. And give a thumbs up, and subscribe this channel and share it guys, please.